Thank you very much. It's a full room. Let's go. In Australia, they say good day. So my name is Bjorn Sikorski. I'm the Managing Director, CEO of Pure Battery Technologies. And what does Pure Battery Technology do? We better refine and better recycle key battery materials. Very interesting to hear my colleague just earlier. I think we're a bit of a competitors, but maybe we can help each other too. We're founded in 2017, so almost about 5 years ago. As he mentioned, we're from Australia, so I get an extra point, please, for furthest traveled when you vote. Thank you. We have successfully developed, based on University of Queensland technology, validated and commercialized 2 patented green, low-cost processes that focuses on battery material production. These processes result in a significant reduction of cost, process complexity, and emission. So they're reducing all of those 3 points. We focus on nickel, manganese, cobalt, so the most used battery material in the EV industry going forward. There might be changes, but even with solid state, there will be products in demand. Our processes can use a wide variety, this is a hard one for German to pronounce, wide variety of metal concentrates from mining, MHP, mixed hydroxides, from scrap metals or from recycling, so black mass, and we convert them within 48 hours back into PCAM material, so precursor cathode active materials. The value proposition of PBT to our customers is as follows. We can save you $245 per electric vehicle. But if you install a 70 kilowatt battery, that represents about $3.5 US, which now is a little bit more than euros, I understand. And that's based on a 70 kilowatt battery. As I said, it's a 40% cost savings. It applies for MHP, so mined material as well as recycled material. In addition, we can, on the average battery, reduce your CO2 footprint by about 630 kilograms. That's currently worth about $50 or 50 euros in the market. The position in the supply chain allows us full traceability of raw materials. So on the one hand, we're serving the mining and the recycling companies, and on the other hand, we work with chemical companies, automotives, and cell makers. We have full transparency on where the metals come from and where they go. And similar to our colleague, we can recover 99% of the metals out of mined materials and out of the black mass, most of it in the first go. So that sets us apart. We have positioned ourselves on purpose to become a critical supplier in the battery supply chain. As a company, we're on track to achieve that goal by 2023, 2024. We want to be a fully integrated Western cathode material producer. We all know the supply chain currently concentrated in Asia, and we'd like to change that. To accelerate those plans, we bought a refinery in Germany in 2020 in the middle of COVID. And we demonstrated with our technologies that we can do this in scale and to the specifications that the automotives and the cell makers like. And we're on schedule to expand that and to, together with the European Investment Bank and with our funders, we're expanding the facility to produce 250,000 EVs or supply 250,000 EVs from late next year in collaboration with a strategic partner, Cronimet Group, which is the largest ferronickel recycler globally, to help us along the way. We also have a large project in Western Australia where we started a bankable feasibility study that helps us supply the material in the first place out of places like Australia where we're from. And that facility will produce about 1.5 million cars worth of product. We received an 80 million grant from the Australian government towards this. And in summary, we're aiming to increase our refining capacity by 2027 to supply 4 million vehicles and hope to be in many other flow sheets with our technology. Thank you very much. Oh, we are, sorry. Thank you. We are on booth C18 if you want to discuss it further with my colleagues and myself. Thank you very much.